simple way to cook rendang with Makanku rendang paste, produced by PT Halalan Thoiban Indonesia. Prepare Makanku rendang paste, coconut milk, all of the beef. Firstly, put all the Makanku rendang paste into the mixing machine. Then, pouring coconut milk. Stir it until the coconut milk and rendang paste mix well. After that, put in all of the beef. Stir it one more time until mix well. Cook the beef until done, thicken or caramelize. With Makanku rendang paste, cooking can be easier, even in a big portion. So, we could saving the operational and production time. From Makanku rendang paste, we can create beef into 3 kind of delicious rendang dishes, like rendang frozen. Rendang frozen always in a good condition, even without preservatives. By keeping it inside the cold storage. Rendang retort. Rendang retort processed by modern technology. Filling process are completely by rotary machine to keep it sterile. Then, we put into the retort machine. So, the rendang still good even in the room temperature. Buffet rendang. Buffet rendang can be consumed after cook or by steam the rendang retort.